പീപ്പിൾസ് ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ നിർമ്മിക്കുന്ന പീപ്പിൾസ് വില്ലേജ് അല്പസമയത്തിനകം നാടിന് സമർപ്പിക്കും. വയനാട് പനമരത്താണ് ഈ പരിപാടി നടക്കുന്നത്. 25 വീടുകൾ അടങ്ങിയ വില്ലേജ് സംസ്ഥാനത്തെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പുനരധിവാസ ടൌൺഷിപ്പുകളിൽ ഒന്നാണ്. മന്ത്രിമാരായ വി.എസ്. സുനിൽകുമാർ, കടന്നപ്പള്ളി രാമചന്ദ്രൻ, പ്രതിപക്ഷ നേതാവ് രമേശ് ചെന്നിത്തല തുടങ്ങിയവർ വീഡിയോ കോൺഫറൻസിലൂടെ പദ്ധതി സമർപ്പണ ചടങ്ങിന്റെ ഭാഗമാകും.
Still, future is very unclear. In addition to being a health crisis, this COVID-19 crisis is a major economic and livelihood crisis as well. Poor and deprived sections and even middle-class families are suffering. They are suffering even today, and the sufferings are anticipated to grow in the days to come. A humanitarian crisis of such magnitude needs the selfless services of noble souls and institutions like People's Foundation. I take the inauguration of this auspicious venture at this juncture as a good omen. It reminds us of our duties, shows us the way, and puts before us an effective model of upliftment, empowerment, and rehabilitation of the victims of natural disasters. I hope this project will inspire many noble souls to come forward at this hour of crisis and deliver similar and much bigger projects to address and solve the problems of humanity. Our youth, philanthropists, and social workers should come forward to help the deserving people and ensure that the pandemic does not snatch from them the zeal and energy to live and thrive. Dear brothers and sisters, every crisis has its own offerings and opportunities. The 2018 flood was a major crisis in this beautiful state, Kerala, the God's own country. The organizations like People's Foundation used this crisis to bring people together. Rich and affluent understood the pains of poor and deprived. They came together. Dedicated youth and social workers became bridge between them. And now you are seeing the outcome of these tireless efforts. Now we need a similar but wider and bigger initiative to address the COVID crisis. If we could do this, we would emerge stronger and more powerful, inshallah. It is very unfortunate that even during such moment of crisis, divisive politics and hate-mongering media maneuvers are taking very ugly turn. Our youth and their minds are being poisoned by the hateful, divisive narratives. It will be the height of misfortune for a country if its leaders divide people even at a time of severe crisis. It is high time organizations like People's Foundation came forward and inspired our youth for such constructive works.
പീപ്പിൾസ് വില്ലേജ് നാടിനെ സമർപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. അതിന്റെ തത്സമയ ദൃശ്യങ്ങളാണ് കണ്ടത്.